In this tutorial, I will show you how to find missing tools and restore them quickly in Adobe Photoshop 2026. Sometimes tools disappear in Photoshop. Don't worry, nothing is broken. Let's fix it step by step. Go to the three dot at the bottom of the toolbar, click on the Edit toolbar. A new panel will open. Here you can see all Photoshop tool. Now look for the crop tool. If you find it, simply drag it back into the toolbar. Or if you want to fix everything at once, click Restore Defaults. This will bring back all missing tool automatically. Finally, click Done. That's it. Your missing tool are now fixed in Adobe Photoshop. If you enjoyed this video helpful, please subscribe to our Graphics Solution Tricks channel and click on the bell icon for more updates.